afternoon, ito ay launching ng Gawad Kalinga 1 Milyong Bayani. That this year, lahat tayo kailangan dumami into becoming 1 million by the end of this year, all throughout the year. We need 1 million Bayanis to build communities all over the country.
And what EDSO won for me was, it was all about Filipinos uniting in the face of injustice. And right now, we also have an injustice, the social injustice. We cannot say that we live in a just nation when there are still squatters in this land. We cannot say we live in a just nation when those who are smart from the slums don't have an opportunity to study.
People power for the children is revolutionizing their way of thinking.
This is a revolution that doesn't just change, doesn't seek a change in the system or change in economics. This seeks a change in the heart of every single Filipino.
That this is not a social civic project. This is not a community development program. This is a reality of the youth's dream.
I, myself, including the Philippine Normal University with my students, gusto naming ipagpatuloy, gusto naming i-commit ang aming sarili dito sa Gawad Kalinga dahil alam namin ang Gawad Kalinga ang makabagong people power.
A new Philippines free of slums, free of violence, free of poverty is not just an ideal we hope for, but this is a cause that the youth have chosen to live for.
I am a Filipino, but I was born in Singapore. But I am back here in Philippines to help rebuild this country. We kids won't stop until this country is rebuilt. Bawat bata bayani.
Tatay dito, kaya maging bayani, kaya mahirap ka, mayaman, saan ka man school, saan ka man nakatira, saan ka man parte ng Pilipinas. Dahil sa Gawad Kalinga, naniniwala kami na lahat tayo may kakayahan maging bayani. Naniniwala kami na hindi totoo yung sinasabi nila na pag nagpakabayani ka, pag binigay mo ang sarili mo para sa iba, walang patutunguhan. Kasi pag sinabi nila sa inyo yun, pakita nyo lang ang mga nangyayari sa GK sites ngayon.
Panindigan natin yung tawag nila sa atin na simbolo ng lakas ng pagbabago.
Kilalaman yung school namin bilang radikal, pero ngayong hapon na to, sasabihin ko sa inyo, radikal kami para sa Gawad Kalinga. Darating ang panahon na lahat ng PUP-yan at lahat ng scholar ng bayan, bayani ng bayan. At darating ang panahon, lahat ng kabataan, at lahat Pilipino, bayani.
Kasi as students and as youth, we're bound to see greater things and we're bound to do greater things. Kaya we're bound to participate in GK. Kasi sobrang great nito. Sobrang sinasabi ko lang sa sarili ko na nag-aaral akong mabuti kasi I'm proud to be a Mapuan. Pero nagbibuild ako para sa bayan kasi I'm proud to be a Pinoy.
Sa Mindanao, katatawag lang po ng papa ko. Ang sabi niya sa akin, anak, huwag kang sumali sa rally. Sumali ka sa rally ng Gawad Kalinga. Daan-daang taon na nagpapataya ng Muslim at Kristiyano. Ngayon, sa Mindanao, nagkakaisa. Ang Kampa Bubakar, mayroon na tayong GK Village doon, mayroon na tayong Gawad Kalinga. Kaya tayo, pagmalaki natin na tayo'y naging bahagi ng kilusan ng movement na to, ang Gawad Kalinga.
People used to think that the greatest enemy of LaSalle was Ateneo, and that the greatest enemy of Ateneo was LaSalle. But the people were wrong. The greatest enemy of Ateneo and LaSalle is poverty, and this is the greatest enemy of all Filipinos. And we must now unite and build a new nation, free of slums, violence, and poverty. Now the youth of my generation are saying, we're tired of praying for this country. We want to become the answer to our country's prayer.